Pasta is always a great choice, and this one is no exception. Let's start with the chicken breast, 350 grams. Cut it into cubes. In a frying pan, add a spoonful of butter, stir, and wait for it to melt. Add the chicken. Season with salt, black pepper, and paprika to taste. Stir, and let it fry until golden. Once golden, set aside. Now, prepare a pot of hot water and add a pinch of salt. Give it a quick stir, and add 150 grams of spaghetti. Let it cook here for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the frying pan again with butter. Once it melts, add 2 minced garlic cloves and half a chopped red onion. Let it fry. Add a pinch of salt, a pinch of chili flakes, and a pinch of paprika. Stir. Pour in 100 milliliters of milk, 200 grams of heavy cream. Stir, and let it cook for just 2 minutes. With the pasta cooked, drain the water and mix it with the sauce. Add the chicken and stir. Finally, add chopped green onions to taste and serve. This pasta is simple but very balanced and creamy, so give it a try and enjoy. Comment below with what you thought of this pasta. And if you liked it, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. See you next time.